In this video, I'm going to take you on a tour of one of the hidden gems in Smoky Mountain National Park. It's my favorite waterfall hike. I'm Scott Colby, a hiking guide in Smoky Mountain National Park. We're going to be hiking the Middle Prong Trail today. It's one of my favorite trails. It's on the Townsend side of the Smoky Mountain National Park, which is considered the peaceful side of the Smokies, which we sometimes need, right? With the Smoky Mountains being the most visited national park in the country with 14 million visitors a year, a lot of these trails can get crowded. So I'm excited to show you this hidden gem, Middle Prong Trail. So follow me and let this journey begin. This is the beautiful Middle Prong Trail. Now, many years ago, it was actually a railroad bed that was used by the Little River Lumber Company to haul logs out of the area. To get here, you'll drive past the Tremont Institute another 3 miles to get to this trailhead. Today, I'm going to show you some video clips and pictures of some of the groups I've guided on this trail. Now, when you get to this trail sign, make sure you snap a picture and then stay to your left to begin your hike. The trail is nice and wide with just a gradual incline, so suitable for all fitness levels. Sometimes you will even have the trail all to yourself. This is about 4/10 of a mile into the hike. This is called Lower Lynn Camp Falls. Kind of hard to see in this video clip, but it's a 35-foot multi-tiered waterfall. It's really impressive. Great place to stop, catch your breath, sit down, and take a group photo. Now, just around the bend, roughly 100 yards up the trail, you're going to have a better view of the upper portion of the falls with this overlook. And then right before this overlook, there is a steep portion you can go down if you're feeling adventurous, and you're going to have some up-close views of the waterfalls. It's extremely beautiful. Shortly after passing that overlook, look for this small cove that leads to a rocky area on your left. This very short sidetrack provides a view of an impressive cataract hidden from the main trail. About 2/3 of a mile into your hike, you're going to reach Lynn Camp Falls. You'll see a couple benches here you could rest, but it's a great place to go down by the river and look at this beautiful multi-tiered waterfall. At 1.5 miles into your hike, you'll notice a large rock from the trailhead. Behind that rock is another large rock where you can climb up and get a bird's eye view of the river. It's also my favorite place to stop and have a snack or eat lunch. Of course, if you don't want to climb on this rock, you can always sit on a rock closer to the river and have a snack there.
Oh, there's
Morning.
more. Okay.
Oh,
Morning.
gorgeous.
There is.
They're professional. I can tell.
At about 1.9 miles into the hike, you're going to see an old rusting Cadillac lying just off the side of the trail. Now, it's not visible from the trail, so you're going to have to look for a faint side trail leading to the right. We used to get some funny group photos with the Cadillac, but unfortunately, last I saw, a tree had fallen on it. If you plan on doing the entire hike, it's going to be about 4 miles out and 4 miles back for a total of 8 miles. At about roughly the 3.7 mile mark, you're going to cross a footbridge over Indian Flats Prong. Just before reaching this bridge, you're going to cross 2 smaller creeks without the benefit of a footbridge. After that, you're going to hike 3 switchbacks, and then at just over 4 miles from the trailhead, you're going to arrive at an unmarked side trail which branches off the right. This trail leads to Indian Flat Falls, your final destination of the hike. Indian Flat Falls is a gorgeous waterfall which will allow you to get some really beautiful pictures. Well, thanks for coming on this hiking tour with me. Hope you enjoyed your time together. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notifications button so you don't miss another video. I want to show you more hidden gems in Smoky Mountain National Park. Until then, I'll see you on the trails.